Hi, welcome to Any World ICT Academy. I'm going to show you how to play the Seed Airdrop game in Telegram. Let's get started. We all know Seed game is very difficult to understand, but I'm going to explain it in a very simple way so that it will be easy for you to play Seed. As the countdown is going on, we are going to learn everything you need to know about Seed. So once you open Seed, you're going to see something like this. If you watch, I tapped on check news because once this thing gets filled up, you have to tap on check news. My interface might not look like yours, but I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So I'm going to claim this. I will claim the seed. I'll also claim the worm that appears at the center of my screen by tapping on it. Okay, I've gotten a new worm. Now let me explain. To grow your seed, there are things that you need to do. If you look at the top side, you see collect more badges to get even more rewards. I'll tap on that link. So this is where you connect your airdrop. So you must make sure you claim one of these achievements before the airdrop date. Look, the below side is the achievement. So it is the team. I changed my team to Halloween team. The Halloween team is the one by the right. That's what I changed to. To get this Halloween, you need to go to the left side at this star looking icon by the left side, tap on it and scroll down. You can see the Halloween box at the downside. It costs only 50 stars. That's approximately I think 1,500 in Nigerian naira. So you can tap on it and buy it. Once you buy it, your seed will start growing by 4 times. If you look at the just below the 355 points I have, you will notice the 4 times power there. At the side of that place they wrote 11 days. So once you buy that Halloween box, you'll be able to get the speed of your seeding up to 4 times. So to also grow your seed in a faster way, you go to N or boost. Under boost, you must make sure you increase your level. I've maxed my level for storage. This one is asking me to pay 300 seed to increase my passive income. So I've increased it to already to level 7. Once you increase the 3 levels, you'll be able to claim more seedings. Okay, then the holy water, you have to invite friends to get that. Just tap on open missions. Once you click on it, tap on open missions, you see more other stuffs there. You can refer more friends. I've referred 1 to 3 friends. Then this complete check-in twice. Once you check in here up to twice, you can claim it and tap on got it. Then go back and upgrade your level. Then complete check-in 5 times. I've done that. So these only 2 are the ones remaining. Even if you've not referred any friend, you can complete the check-in twice and complete check-in 5 times. So once you have done that, you click on got it and go back and upgrade. So I've not done any task yet. That's why my mind is still showing me open missions. Okay, so that's for it. So once you increase your boost, you'll be able to make your seeding claim to be higher. So these are the 3 points you can increase. Now I'll go back to home. For the beds, you need to get more beds. Once you are new, you'll be able to claim a new bed. But even if you don't get any new bed, you can see this bag icon by the left side, top left side. Tap on the bag icon, tap on X. Now I have no X, so that's why here is empty. Assuming there's an egg here, I'll tap on it and tap on hatch. The egg will be able to hatch. So how do you get this eggs? Whenever you log into your seed, go to login bonus, tap on it. Do this every morning. So once you open it, I've not claimed today's own. You can see day 25. I'll tap on it and I'll be able to get the mission completed. Now sometimes once you tap on it, after the mission is completed, look at the top side, you're able to see claim tickets. But today I have no tickets to claim. So those tickets you are claiming will go under this side. You can see this game icon by the right side, tap on it and go to spinner X. Tap on play under spinner X. So assuming I claim the ticket will write one ticket here. So you just tap on spin. Spin will be here instead of get free tickets. Once you tap on spin, it will spin the egg and it will come in as a it will give you only one part of the egg, which could be this, the pink one or the green one or this other colored ones by right. So once you claim it up to 5 under one particular part of the egg, if it's the pink one by the left side, once it reaches 5, you can tap on it like this one that is 1. I'll tap on it and I'll tap on fusion, but it must get to 5 before you can achieve that. So I've claimed 2 eggs before. So assuming it's up to 5, you can click here and tap on fusion. You get up to 5, as in once the number is 5 here, you tap on it and tap on fusion, it will fuse the egg and you buy it at a cheaper rate. You can see the fusion here is 24 seeds to acquire this egg, because I have 0 to acquire it. But assuming I have more parts, I'll be able to buy it for a cheaper rate. But if you go to this side, this shop icon by the left side, down left side, tap on it, you can see that the egg is more expensive. Tap on the eggs. This is where you can purchase your items. You can see the egg is 36, 37 seeds, but if you fuse those eggs, you can buy it for as little as 18 seeds. So once you buy them, you go to the left side, this bag, and tap on it. Then, like I taught you earlier, go to eggs and hatch the egg. Once you hatch the egg will be hatched. Then you can now fuse the eggs. Once you fuse the eggs, by going to games once again, you can see merge bed. Then you tap on it, because the egg might hatch the same bed that you already have. Then you must tap on merge bed to match the 2 beds. So I've matched 2 beds of this particular bed. That's the baby penguin, and that's why my own score is now 4/7. Now for these beds, once this bed is here, tap on it and open it. So let me claim this one first and teach you how to do this side. Okay, so to play this side, just tap and hold on this egg. It will fill up this downside to 100 over 100. Once it reaches 100 over 100, you release. The bed is now 100 over 100. So you have to feed the bed with a worm. So I only have 1 worm and the other one is 6. So this one of 6 is a very big worm. So if I feed it with 1, it will give me about 13 points. And here we have only 0/7. So I will waste so many energies. So I will fill with this one first. It's filled. So this 0 now is now 4/7. If I try to feed with this one, it will tell me I'm trying to waste energy. You can see I waste about 17 energy, so I'll cancel. I only play with these ones. So for me to play with this one and claim it later, I'll tap on start hunt and click on start. Then the bird will start hunting. You can see your bird is hunting. So that's it. So after like 12 hours, you can see by the bottom right, you'll be able to come back here and claim what the bird has hunted for you. So that's how to place it. For more tutorials on tech, please subscribe to this channel.